Okay. Then today we will study English 2, English grammar. In that last time we have completed chapter 8, means in the offline videos, right? Have you completed that chapter 8?
Yes.
And the
Yes.
worksheet also. I have sent the answers of worksheet also. Have you understood the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in that chapter, students, you have to learn the three verbs. Okay. Past tense, main form, or we can say base form, past form, and past participle. Okay. These words you have to learn. Okay. Now start learning those words also. Okay, anytime we will ask you to give me the answer of this past tense and past participle also. So start learning these all words. Okay,
मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
I'm just talking about the homework. We will start chapter 9, that is the sentence, that is on page number 54.
ओके मैम.
I'm just telling you about that. You have to learn the page number 51 as well as page number 52. The words are, the action verbs are given in that tabular form that you have to learn. Okay, then I'm just
Ma'am,
telling
what
you.
is the page number? Ma'am, what is the page number?
We, page number 51 and 52. The action verbs are given that you have to learn. Okay, that is the homework which you have to learn. That's all. And now we start chapter 9, that is the sentence.
मैम ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, वॉइस आ रहा है बात में.
सबके माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए बेटा. Now we will start chapter 9, the sentence, that is on page number 54. Okay, page number 54 पे है. In that first given about the sentence, grammar point is given. A sentence always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop, an exclamation or a question mark. Means always whenever you are starting a question, you have to start with the capital letter, right? And at the end of the sentence, either it can full stop, question mark or exclamation sign will come. Okay, that is about the sentence. Now students, we start the exercise 1 only, because you have to rearrange the words to make a proper sentence is given. Okay, see, this exercise you have to do in a notebook, because you have to arrange it and you will write a proper form. Just now with the help of the pencil you can write in your textbook just beside the sentence, but in a
मैम पहले
proper,
टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखेंगे चलेगा?
अभी बुक में लिखो, but afterwards
Okay.
you have to make it fair in your notebook.
ठीक है.
Okay, chalo. First question is that rewrite the following words to make meaningful sentence and add the correct punctuation when needed. So whatever the punctuation is needed, that you have to do. Okay, now arrange the first sentence. Is planet warmer the getting?
The planet is getting warmer.
Very good. The planet is getting warmer. Spellings are given in a textbook only. So I am not doing anything. Okay, you have to just arrange the words only. So answer will be the planet is getting warmer. Just now put the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. You will get it easy. Okay, instead of writing the whole sentence, just give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this way. Okay. So the answer is the planet is getting warmer. Okay. Just give the numbers. It will become your first one. Okay. Now second.
Okay.
The population increasing what the is.
The
What?
population
world
is
population
increasing in the
is increasing.
The world population is increasing will come. The world population is increasing. Just give the numbers, okay? That will become a faster for you. Good. Now third number, next number. International English language is an.
English is an international language.
Very good. Very good. English is an international language. Very smart you are.
Ma'am, which subject?
Oh,
English 2.
we are doing English grammar in that chapter number 9 and that is on page number 54. Again, I am repeating, we are doing English grammar, English 2 in that lesson number 9, page number 54. In that exercise A, we are doing. Understood everyone? Now, we came on fourth number. Peace without progress cannot be have.
We cannot have peace without
Without
progress.
progress.
Very good. We cannot have peace without progress. जब तक हमें सफलता नहीं मिलती तब तक हम आराम से बैठ नहीं सकते, राइट? हमें शांति नहीं मिलती. So, we cannot have peace without progress. Okay, next number. Celebrate Republic Week Great Day with pop, so and the.
We celebrate Republic Day
With
pop,
pomp, show,
show,
and the
With great
and
pop and so.
great.
Again repeating, we celebrate the Republic Day with great pop and so. Understood?
Yes.
Repeating one more time.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
celebrate the Republic Day with great pop and so.
अच्छा मैम 10
Okay.
का मिनट.
हाँ बोलिए.
मैम वो कॉल आ रहा था मोबाइल पे इसलिए हॉटस्पॉट बंद हो गया था इसलिए मम्मी को बोल रहा था.
Which number?
नहीं मैम हो गया.
हो गया ना? Okay. Now next number. 6 number. Like you do to go the 2 movies, right? Arrange it now.
Do
Do you like to go
like
the two
the
movies?
movies?
Okay, very good. Do you like to go to the movies? Question mark.
Yep.
Yes.
Do you like to go to the movies? That is your favorite part, right? To go and enjoy the day. Okay, shall I repeat again?
Okay मैम.
Do you
No,
like
no,
to
yeah.
go to the movies? Okay, next. Leather made it of bag this.
This bag is
bag
made
is made of
Bag is
leather.
made up of leather.
Up is
Leather.
not there. Up is not there to become. This bag is made of leather.
Of leather.
Okay. Last. Tennis Tanya good is at.
Tanya is good
at
at tennis.
Very good. Tanya is good at tennis. Very smart you are. Done.
Ma'am, please don't tell us smart. You are very
You are. See, sometimes you are doing the smartly work, then I have to say that you are smart. If you are not doing, then I will say you want to are. But just now you are doing, then it is all okay. Okay, so next we are going to the next topic. See, I am just telling you, do you understand about the subject and the predicate? Now, what is the subject? Subject means particular name.
yes.
Yes ma'am.
Mostly the names are represented as the subject and they are mostly coming at the beginning of the sentence, right? Like examples is given, Priya dances. So Priya is called as a subject and the rest of all the things is called as a predicate, right? So your dances will come as a predicate. The second example is given that Rafi sings beautifully. So Rafi is a name. Rafi is called as a subject and the resting means sings beautifully, that is become the predicate, right? So mostly
Yes.
subject is coming in the beginning of the sentence, whereas after all these remaining or rest of the words are called as the predicate. Okay?
मैम कौन सा चैप्टर है?
Who is speaking that? Arav?
लेट हो गया था.
Okay. We are doing
Geeta.
lesson. Okay, we are doing lesson number 9. That is a sentence, and that is it on page number 54. We have completed
54.
exercise A. I will send you the answer in the PDF, but we are not going to revise it now. We are going ahead with the subject and the predicate. Okay. माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए आप. Okay.
54.
Page number 54 is there that we have completed. Now we came on 55 page number. Okay.
Page 55.
Now in the exercise B, we have to find it out subject as well as the predicate. Okay. So ये आप अंदर ही कर देना because you have to do inside that. So circle the subject and underline the predicate. Okay. That we will do in the textbook only. So first question is that of exercise B. Identify the subject and the predicate in the following sentence. You have to identify the subject and the predicate. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in each sentences. Okay. So first question is that Tarun is quite late.
Tarun
Tarun
is subject and is quite predicate.
Quite late is
Is predicate.
predicate.
Very good. So you have to circle the Tarun and the rest of the words you have to underline. Means is quite late, you have to underline that words. Okay. Now second, out of the tree flew the birds. So which is the subject this time?
The bird.
Out of the tree. Out of the tree.
Huh. I have spoke that is
The bird.
subject mostly coming in the beginning of the sentence, but it is not in general. Sometimes it is
The bird.
coming at the end of the sentence also. So here
The birds.
the birds are the subjects. The birds, you have to circle on the bird and the predicate is coming ahead. Means out of the tree flew. That will become your predicate. Okay, this time. Understood? Because the birds here is in the subject form. Now third number. The lost child cried helplessly.
The lost child.
The lost child.
Subject is the lost child. So circle that.
मैम cried helplessly का आएगा
Predicate.
predicate.
हाँ, predicate will come. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next number. Little Nina laughed. That's
Fourth.
Fourth number. The mountains rose into the blue sky.
The mountain.
The mountain.
Mountain.
Mountain subject rose into blue sky predicate.
Very good. The mountains is a subject, so you have to circle that, and rose into the blue sky, it is called a predicate that you have to underline.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, fifth number. Little Nina laughed
Little
happily.
Nina.
Little Nina.
Nina.
Little Nina is your
Little
subject.
Nina subject laughed happily predicate.
Happily
Laughed
predicate.
Laughed happily is predicate. Next now, sixth number. Down to the river went the troop of children. So which
Troop
one is
of
the
children.
Very
The
good.
troop of children.
The troop of children. The troop of children. Okay, the will come. The
And
troop
down
of-
to the river went predicate.
Down to the river went is called as a predicate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now seventh number. The children ate the cake hungrily.
मैम पीछे से किसी की आवाज आ रही है।
Yes, ma'am.
अब नहीं आ रही।
किसी का
The
mute.
child subject.
एक्चुअली बेटा आप अपने आप माइक म्यूट करोगे तो मुझे बेनिफिट होगा, नहीं तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा आपका माइक म्यूट, राइट? सो इट इज बेटर कि आप अपना, इफ साउंड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम योर बैक साइड, देन जस्ट म्यूट योर माइक. Okay, the child ate the cake hungrily. The child is your subject, right?
Ate the cake, predicate ना.
हाँ, ate the cake hungrily, that is become your predicate. Okay.
Yes.
Now next, my parents have always been supportive of my choices.
My
My
parents.
parents.
Yes, my parents is your subject and
Predicate, they have always been supportive of my choices.
remaining rest of the all thing will be your predicate. Next now, 9 number, several people watch the fireworks with joy.
several
Several people subject.
Several people is subject and the rest of the thing is
और मैम बाकी का predicate.
हाँ, बाकी का सब कुछ predicate, right? Now next, 10th number, into the valley of death rode the 600 soldiers.
The 600 soldiers is
The
subject.
600
Right.
soldiers.
Subject is coming at the last. So answer will be the 600 soldiers, that will become your subject, and into the valley of death road will be your predicate. Okay. Now next, the children heard a loud noise.
The children.
The children.
Children is a subject.
The children is subject and the rest of the thing is predicate. Last 12th number, an exciting adventure is all that I crave for right now. The subject is
मैम आपकी आवाज
मैम
नहीं आ
आपकी
रही।
आवाज प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही.
मैम वापस से बोलो, आपकी आवाज नहीं
आ रही।
okay, okay. An exciting adventure is all that I crave for right now. So, an exciting adventure is your subject.
Sure.
And the rest of the thing is your predicate. Okay. So this is about exercise B that we have completed, right? Now students, we are going ahead with the explanation part on page number 56. Okay. Now, mostly here is given the types of the sentence. Generally, most 4 types of sentences are there. Declarative or assertive sentence means at the end full stop will come. Assertive sentence, right? Full stop will come. Second, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means what? Always it will start with the verb. Okay? Put this bag, open the door. These are called the imperative sentence, starting with the verb. Third is given interrogative sentence. At last coming as a question mark, interrogative, question mark, WH question or simple question. Do you want tea? That is called the interrogative sentence. Exclamatory sentence means what? You are become surprised. That is called as the exclamatory sentence. Means at the last of the sentence, what will come? Line and full stop, right? That is called the exclamatory sentences. Now first we are understanding the declarative or assertive sentence, or we can say full stop one sentence. At the end full stop will come. Now just remember that what is the difference between the assertive sentence and the imperative sentence. At the last, in the both the sentence, full stop will come. Okay, but assertive sentence we start with the noun. It has noun. But in case of the imperative sentence, it will start with the verb. Okay, that is the difference between the assertive and the imperative sentence. Okay, now as you know that assertive sentence is what? One example is given. This may be a yes statement or an affirmative sentence. Always will come as a yes or no in an answer. Simply I am just telling you, I have a book. That is called the assertive sentence. Right? I don't have book. That is a negative assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is that, but it is a negative sentence, right? So that is possible. Affirmative sentences that come in case of a negative also. Now, what is the format of negative sentence? Mostly after verb, means after am is are, after was were, after have as and had not will come. Right? That you know. How we are writing the negative sentence? If I am giving the example, I am happy. So what will be the negative of that sentence?
I am not happy.
That will become your negative sentence. After that verb, you are putting the not. But if it is like this way, I like cricket. So what will be the negative sentence?
I don't like
I
cricket.
don't like cricket.
I don't like cricket.
You have to go under that simple present tense and simple past tense, right? If it is said that he played cricket, so what will be the
He
negative
does not
sentence?
play cricket.
He not.
He did not play
He
cricket.
didn't play cricket.
He did not play.
Because it is past tense. That at that time you have to use the did. In present tense you have to put do or does, right? So just that you have to remember. Okay. So understood na this one? If auxiliaries are coming, that is can, could, would, may, might, then afterwards you can put the not. I cannot, I may not, I would not, I could not, like.
Yes.
So simple you can put a not to make this negative. Okay. So now we are going. Kritarth, mic off कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Mic off. Background sound आया. Okay. So now we will start exercise C number. Okay. Change the affirmative sentences to negative sentences and the negative sentences to the affirmative sentences. Okay. पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव बनाना है, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव बनाना है, इन शॉर्ट.
ओके.
फर्स्ट
मैम
क्वेश्चन
ये हमें नोटबुक में लिखना है.
नोटबुक में लिखोगे तो अच्छे से प्रॉपर्ली लिख पाओगे आप. सो राइट डाउन इन अ नोटबुक ओनली. ओके, बट जस्ट नाउ डू इन अ नेक्स्ट बुक ओनली, देन यू जस्ट compare it in your notebook. First question is that he does not attend school regularly. So what will be the answer?
does not को हटा देंगे, फिर attend की जगह attends कर देंगे.
हाँ, you have to put that attends. ATTENDS will come, right? Attends.
Yes, ma'am.
So he attends as school regularly. In short. You have to put this as. Okay. Now second number. We have no time.
No की जगह not कर देंगे.
We have time.
We have time.
Have time. Okay, good. Third number. The young man is honest in his work.
The young man is not
The young man
honest.
The young man is not honest.
Not honest in my.
Yes. The young man is not honest in his work. Very good. Now fourth number. The floods come every year.
The floods
Does will come.
The floods do not come every year.
Right.
do not come.
The floods do not come will come, right? Do not come every year. Okay. Next. I haven't seen the jog falls.
I have seen the jog fall.
The jog
You have
falls.
to just remove the short form. I have seen the jog falls. Next now. Ashraf will not attend the party.
Not को हटा
Ashraf
देंगे.
will attend the party.
Very good.
Ashraf will
Ashraf
attend the party.
Very good. Ashraf will
Not
attend the
को हटा
party. 7th number. Ankita has to submit the project tomorrow.
Ankita does not to submit project
No.
tomorrow.
Does not करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना
Ankita has
आपको.
not to submit
हाँ.
the project tomorrow.
Ankita has not
not to
to
submit the
submit
project tomorrow.
That is also possible. And second, if you want to do, then
टू
you have
की
to write
जगह not
Ankita.
कर देंगे.
Ankita does not have to submit. Ankita does not have to submit will come. Okay?
मैम मैंने has not लिखा, चलेगा ना?
चलेगा. Hasn't कर देना पर. Hasn't to submit. But in proper way, you can also write that Ankita does not have, okay, to submit. Now next, Tamanna and I are going to the park.
Tamanna and
Tamanna
I
and
are
I
not
are
going to the
not
party.
going.
मैम आर के बाद not लगा देंगे.
And I are not going to the park.
Yes,
आर
Tamanna
के जगह
and
not लगा
I
देंगे.
are not going to the park. Next now, the new boy is in class did not make many friends.
The new boy in class did make many friends.
मैम did not को हटा देंगे.
Made many
का
friends.
made हो जाएगा.
Made हो जाएगा.
Right. The new boy in the class made, M-A-D-E. Okay, what will come? M-A-D-E.
Tamanna can speak French.
Made will come, M-A-D-E. The new boy in class made many friends. Okay. Now next, Mona can speak French fluently.
Mona
Cannot.
Mona
मैम
cannot
cannot आएगा.
speak French frequently.
Mona cannot speak French fluently.
Mona cannot speak French fluently.
Right. Now students, next is given imperative sentence, that is starting with the verb. Okay. So shall we go with the exercise directly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So chalo, let's start the exercise D now. Change the following sentences into imperative. They were told to open their books. So what will be the answer?
Open your books.
Very good. Open their books. Open your books. Open your books will come. There will not come. Open your books. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Second, you are requested to help the poor.
Please help the poor.
Requested होता है तो आपको please कर देना. Please help the poor. Now third number. Do not walk. We should not walk on the road, grass.
Do not.
Do not walk on the grass.
Or you can write don't walk on the grass is okay. Do not या don't. Do not walk on the grass, or you can write don't walk on the grass. Okay. Next now. The teacher ordered the student to stop talking.
Stop talking.
Only stop talking. Okay.
Stop talking.
But remember that afterwards exclamatory sign will come. Okay. Exclamatory sign. Fifth number. We should not take medicine without a doctor's advice.
Do not take medicine without
Don't
doctor's
take
advice.
medicine without doctor
Very
advice.
good. Do not or don't take medicine without a doctor's advice. Done to everyone?
हो गया.
Okay. Now E number, you have to arrange the words and make the proper sentence. First number. To forget, fasten, don't, seatbelt, and your. Start with the turn.
Don't forget to fasten your seat belt.
Fasten seat belt.
Very good.
Don't forget to fasten your seat.
Don't forget to fasten your seat belt.
हो गया मैम.
Write down the numbers only. Okay. Now second. More let try him once.
Let him try once more.
Let him try more once.
Once more. Let
Once
him
more.
try once more. Let him try once more. Okay. Third number. Arrange it. Jack the from my car kit repair get.
Jack get the repair kit from my car.
My car. हाँ, पर जैक के बाद एक्सक्लेमेटरी का साइन आएगा. ओके. जैक आफ्टर एक्सक्लेमेटरी का साइन आएगा. जैक. हाँ.
मैम फिर से एक बार रिपीट करो.
हाँ, जैक के बाद
हाँ, मैम,
एक्सक्लेमेटरी
फिर
का
से
साइन आएगा. फिर बोल रही हूँ. गेट द रिपेयर किट फ्रॉम माई कार.
मैम क्या?
जैक के बाद एक्सक्लेमेटरी का साइन आएगा. फिर गेट द रिपेयर किट फ्रॉम माई कार.
मैम आपकी आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ रही.
Okay, one more time speaking. Jack, get the repair kit from my car. Okay. Next now. Fourth number. Have some time to yourself. Answer is have some time to yourself. Getting my voice?
Yes.
Yes ma'am.
So answer of fourth will be have some time to yourself. Fifth number, who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ बोलो.
Do tell me about your progress.
Very good. Do tell me about your progress. Who will tell me the next answer? Be confident.
Be confident about
your
your point of view.
Very good. Be confident about your point of view. Okay. Hope students you have completed this all.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes ma'am हो गया है सब.
So rest of the things I will send you in the application. Okay. Rest of the exercise I will send you in the application. हाँ.
मैम मेरे में कुछ आता ही नहीं है स्कूल में.
तो आपको बेटा यहाँ पे आके बात करनी पड़ेगी. ओके. रिगार्डिंग दिस.
मोबाइल को एक बार रिस्टार्ट मार देना, आ जाएगा अपने आप. मेरा भी ऐसे हो रहा था.
ओके.
मैम
ऐसे नहीं होता.
फीस नहीं भरा है ना, इसलिए नहीं आता है.
Okay, whatever it is, just come once in a school and come overcome these all problems. Okay. Now students, we are winding up this class. And next time we will. And this part I will send you in the application. Okay.
Okay,
Okay
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye ma'am.